Proper use and care are essential in maximizing the rope's potential strength and ability to perform safely, while maximizing the rope's useful time in service. The first step in using a tool properly is knowing your tool. All rope has characteristics, properties, and tendencies that are products of the way the rope is manufactured and what it's composed of. Comparing properties of different fibers is necessary in choosing the right rope for a particular job. Properties and characteristics including strength, weight, durability, and stretch should be considered. The choice should be the rope with the combination of properties that best fits a specific job or application. Properties of different fibers can be combined. A jacket or cover of one fiber type can provide abrasion protection, ease of handling, or ultraviolet protection for a line of a different fiber. Line of one fiber can be reinforced with a core of a different fiber. Practicing proper rope care while handling line is important to its strength, reliability, and useful life. Most fiber line applications in the maritime industry are critical, so it makes good sense to care for a tool that may literally hold your life and the lives of other crew members in the balance.